So now we're going to cook the frijoles, the beans, sorry, for the pupusas. We're going to use fresh garlic, 3 ajos frescos. Wash your beans in bolsa de frijoles. Use I like to use the small red beans and cover it with water. You're going to cook it for about 3 hours, but keep an eye on it, not all the time. Go watch a movie and come back, but watch it every once in a while, because as the water cooks down, you'll add more water. You're going to cook it for about 3 hours and it will get soft. The reason we're using the fresh garlic is because it won't hurt your tummy. You're not going to get any air in your tummy if you use fresh garlic while you're cooking it. Really important, don't put any salt in it right now. The only thing you want to add is your fresh garlic. We're going to season it after the beans are soft. Usar ajo fresco para no pon aire en su estómago. Es muy importante. Pero no pon sal ahorita, después cuando los frijoles son suaves. Ya. Ahora los frijoles son suaves, son listos. Yo uso pollo y ajo y cebolla. Now that the beans are nice and soft, I go ahead and season them. I use the chicken, some garlic, some onion. This is powder. I don't use salt. I use onion powder, garlic powder, not salt. Stir it up a minute. Alright, so now that our beans are soft, we've got some seasonings in there. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit more inside the blender before we actually put the beans in. A mí me gusta usar cilantro, cebolla, jalapeno y limón con los frijoles. I'm going to put a little bit of broth in there first. Lemon squeezer. Add some more beans now. It's better to do it in small batches instead of filling the blender up all the way. Ahora, antes de cocinar los frijoles mezclados, uso aceite, tocinos y cebolla para darle más sabor. So, before I add my refried beans, I'm going to add a little olive oil, bacon, cebolla, onion. Then when this is cooked, we're going to take that out and we'll add our beans. And we'll cook them till they get thick. Y cuando el tocino está cocido, las quito con cebollas también y luego agrego los frijoles. Now that the bacon and cebollas are cooked, I'm going to go ahead and take those out, just for flavor. Of course, if you want to eat the bacon, go right ahead. Add the frijoles. Turn it down. Now we're going to cook these beans until they thicken up for the pupusas. Y ahora cocinar los frijoles hasta espeso. Alright, so you can see the beans are starting to cook down now. Starting to reduce. This is how I love to eat beans on a normal, any meal day.